Glass is mainly what? Glassly mainly made up of silica, right? SiO2. From where do you get the SiO2? From the sand, right? Now, glass can be of two types, right? Glass can be glass can be soda lime glass, right? Soda lime glass. Glass can be borosilicate glass, right? You can write down borosilicate glass, right? Isn't it? Now, as the name suggests, soda lime. What we take? We take soda, right? That is sodium carbonate, and we take lime, right? That is calcium carbonate, right? And we take SiO2, right? We heat these three components at around 15 degrees centigrade, right? All the components they convert to a liquid state, right? Then we cool it down. Both soda lime and borosilicate glass, the same processes will be there. We take the components of SiO2. In borosilicate glass, we take what? We take boron trioxide and we add SiO2, right? Isn't it? And we heat it at 1500 degrees centigrade, right? And it converts to liquid and it is cooled. Now the striking part of it, you'll be seeing that while it is cooling, right? They are not in a lattice structure. This bit you have to know, right? They are not in a lattice structure, right? The lattice structure is not there, right? Indeed, they are not in a regular pattern, right? Indeed, fine. And what happens? The glass will be formed, but in a not in a regular pattern, right? Isn't it? Now, in the borosilicate glass, we are using this borosilicate glass for ovens, micro ovens, or your high heating glasses when it needed, right? Fine. Now, coming to the part, you can see the difference. If you see ceramics, right, this ceramic will be having a gigantic lattice structure. But glass does not have a lattice structure, number one, right? It does not have a lattice structure, right? Isn't it? Now, what are ceramics? Ceramics are those objects which are made from clay, right? Clay contains what? Please open your book over here. Mark down over here important and slow. S. S means slow. You have to go slow. Clay contains uh, uh, the compounds of metals and non-metals, right? In ionic bonding, right? In ionic compounds, right? Isn't it? Such as aluminum metal, potassium metal. Non-metals are silicon and oxygen, right? What happens when clay is wet? What happens? The layers of the clay, right? They are separated by what? They are separated by water, right? Isn't it? The water will be separating them, right? Thus, clay is slimy. When you take this slimy clay and mold it into a pot, like in the potter's wheel, right? Isn't it? And after that, we heat it around what? We heat it around 1000 degrees centigrade, right? Why do we do it? We ensure that this water will be driven out. When the water is driven out, what happens? These layers of these ionic compounds, they will be coming closer, see? And they'll be forming ionic bonds with each other and in a gigantic lattice structure, right? Thus, ceramics is formed. The disadvantage of ceramic is what? The disadvantage of ceramic is that it is brittle, right? It is very brittle, right? Isn't it? And a sharp blow, they will be damaging that, right? So this was all about what? This was all about the glass and the ceramics we have, right? Isn't it? Fine.